If you're in the mood for a refreshing and healthy dish, look no further than this beetroot salad with yogurt recipe. It's a delightful mix of earthy beets, creamy yogurt, and a touch of mint that will invigorate your taste buds and leave you feeling nourished. Let's get started on making this vibrant salad. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 medium-sized beetroots, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic minced, a handful of fresh mint leaves chopped, salt and black pepper to taste. Start by washing the beetroots thoroughly. Trim off the tops and roots. Place the beetroots in a large pot and cover them with water. Bring the water to a boil and then reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook the beetroots for about 30 to 40 minutes or until they are tender when pierced with a fork. Once cooked, drain the beetroots and let them cool. After the beetroots have cooled, peel off the skin. You can use your hands to rub the skin off, or a knife if you prefer. Be mindful that beetroots can stain your hands and surfaces, so you might want to wear gloves and use a chopping board that you don't mind getting stained. Once peeled, cut the beetroots into small cubes or thin slices, depending on your preference. In a large bowl, combine the beetroot pieces with the olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, and chopped mint leaves. Mix well to ensure the beetroots are evenly coated with the dressing. Next, add the Greek yogurt to the beetroot mixture. Stir gently to combine, making sure the yogurt is well distributed throughout the salad. Finally, season with salt and black pepper to taste. Your beetroot salad with yogurt is ready to be served. You can enjoy it immediately or refrigerate it for a couple of hours to let the flavors meld together. This salad makes for a perfect side dish or a light meal on its own. Its vibrant color and refreshing taste are sure to make it a hit at any gathering. Happy cooking!